In this video, I'm going to solve one question from the trigonometric identity or from class 11. And that is based on this identity that tan 2a is equal to 2 tan a over 1 minus tan square a. Now let's see how can we apply this identity to solve this question. Say if I write down the LHS, we have LHS as tan 4x. Now applying this identity, we can write this as 2 tan a, that is 2 tan 2a becomes a, so 4x would become 2x, that divided by 1 minus tan square 2x. Now check here. We can apply this identity once again. Like as you can see here, we have tan 2x here, and this is tan 2x whole square. So if I apply this identity, what you can see that this is 2 times, replacing this tan 2x using this identity, I can write this as 2 tan square x, that divided by, sorry, this is 2 tan a, that divided by 1 minus tan square x. As you can see, 2x using half angle property becomes x. That whole divided by 1 minus, once again, we are applying this identity. So for that, we'll be writing this tan 2x again as 2 tan a, that is 2 tan x, divided by 1 minus tan square x. But then we have a square over here, so we'll be placing a whole square over here. Now for further calculation, we can see that this 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. So the numerator will become 4 times tan x, that divided by 1 minus tan square x. And that divided by this part. Now you can see that I can write this as 1 as it is, minus the square of this will become 4 times, tan square x. And in the denominator, I can write this as 1 minus tan square x, the whole square. So what I did, I wrote this square in the numerator and denominator separately. Now continuing with the working, I can say this is 4 tan x copied and 1 minus tan square x, that divided by. Now for this portion, I'm taking LCM. If I take LCM clearly is 1 minus tan square x, the whole square. And this is 1 over 1. So it will come as 1 minus tan square x, the whole square, minus this is 4 tan square x. For the further simplification, this will be as it is, 4 tan x over 1 minus tan square x, that divided by, on simplifying it further, I'm going to apply a minus b whole square over here. So a square, that is 1 square, is 1, plus b square, that means square of tan square x is tan raised to the power 4x, minus 2 times tan, 2 times a into b, that will give you 2 tan square x. And then we have minus this, that is minus 4 times tan square x. And that divided by the denominator, which is 1 minus tan square x, the whole square. Now for further simplification, we need some space here. So let's. Now we have this part as it is, that is 4 times tan x, that divided by 1 minus tan square x. And you can see that dividing is same as multiplying with the reciprocal. So I can write the denominator as numerator now. And the numerator has some like terms. You can see this is minus 2 times tan square x minus 4 times tan square x. So that will be minus 6 times tan square x. But first we'll be writing 1 plus tan raised to the power 4x, and then minus 6 times tan square x. Now where from this 6 times tan square x has come? From here, right? This is. in the later part, we can see that we can reduce this because this is 1 times 1 minus tan square x, and this is square times. On the final part, this will be equal to 4 times tan x multiplied by 1 minus tan square x, and that divided by what is left as the denominator is 1 plus tan raised to the power 4x minus 6 times tan square x. And I can see that is equal to the RHS. And that is what we need to prove, which is this is equal to RHS. So we can see that we are just going to apply this identity twice, and that helps in solving this question.